Hey there, cruise fans. I'm back with a quick tour of the Deluxe Balcony Stateroom with Promenade View on the MSC World America. Step inside with me where you'll find a comfortable king bed or convertible into two singles, an interactive TV, telephone, safe, mini bar, Wi-Fi access if you added it, and at about 172 square feet with a balcony of 54 square feet. This is an excellent choice for couples wanting an elevated experience without a suite. Immediately, you're going to notice the smart layout, which separates the closet area from the living space. It gives you the feeling of a mini suite. This is a perfect room for two. There's plenty of storage and a notably larger bathroom than the deluxe interior stateroom. I will mention, though, that the decor throughout the bathroom area does stay the same. One of the gems of this room is that it is located in the corner promenade view, which from the balcony you'll enjoy a charming peek into the ocean on the right and the bustling promenade in the center and the left. Just remember, for this exact view, you'll need to let us know that you want to book stateroom number 16243. A word of caution if you haven't stayed in this room before, you'll notice that right across, everyone can see into your room from the other balcony, so it's not exactly private. And then in addition, if you're at an upper deck, people can see right down into your balcony or your room. Thank you so much for exploring with me. Don't forget to contact Guru Travel for all your cruise planning needs.